Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Luxury Kings. Here are 10 insanely luxurious tiny houses. Number 10, Cayman by Tiny Heirloom Luxury Homes. Tiny Heirloom Luxury Homes motto reads, "Home is where you park it." And sure enough, all the model homes from this Oregon-based company are totally mobile, and they offer selections that can either serve as a unique setting for corporate events or high-quality family homes to build to last. Their most luxurious model is a spacious Cayman with 2 bedrooms, an exquisite kitchen, modern finishes, and energy-efficient solar panels. This tiny home is perfect for a family looking to keep their family close and their carbon footprint small. Number 9, Alpha by New Frontier Tiny Homes. With models built to sleep 2 to 6, these tiny homes can comfortably house single flyers, couples, and families alike. True to its name, New Frontier Tiny Homes uses the materials and textures of nature as its muse. Their cabin-style homes are rustic chic and undeniably cozy. How nice would it be to spend a winter in their signature Alpha home? With a fold-down patio and floor-to-ceiling windows, Alpha allows its owners to immerse themselves fully in nature. But with its jacuzzi tub and comprehensive kitchen, residents won't compromise luxury.
Perception of the house.
Number 8, Davenport, Florida's Tiny Home Gym. This stunning home in Davenport was once featured on HGTV's Tiny House Big Living, no surprise there. The 270 square foot home playfully uses features like columns and stained glass panels to give the tiny home a luxe upgrade. And with contrasting white stained walls and dark beams, colorful glass sconces, this tiny home is seriously homey.
I think it's pretty important with tiny living to be able to expand out.
Number 7, Magnolia by Minimalist Homes. Their most luxurious model is the Magnolia. With white walls, contrasting dark beams, and an open concept common space, the Magnolia oozes approachable luxury. To live in a Magnolia home will cost you $98,285. Minimalist Homes allows buyers of their tiny homes a variety of ways to customize new digs. Skylights, heated floors, and solar panels are just a few examples.
Saw that horizontal wood imitation steel siding as well. The house.
Number 6, Buitenhuis by Chris Colaris Architects. This 2-story dream holiday home was launched at Dutch Design Week 2017 by the acclaimed Dutch design groups Droomparken, Chris Colaris Architects, and Dutch Intervals. With exposed wood, lots of indoor plants, and a minimalist natural color scheme, the Buitenhuis allows its visitors to retreat away from the hustle and bustle of urban life and unwind in a relaxing space inspired by and immersed in the natural environment. Number 5, Renovated Airstream by the Modern Caravan. Ellen Prass and Kate Oliver started renovating vintage Airstream homes in 2014, and in 2017 began the blog Modern Caravan to cultivate an open, honest, and loving community among today's modern nomads and caravan builders.
What was salvageable and ended up taking the project on. Seeing this Airstream.
Number 4, the Kokosing by Modern Tiny Living. The Kokosing by Modern Tiny Living is designed to combine practical living and stylish comfort and produce a 256 square feet house that retails for $65,000. Clad in stunning Acacia hardwood flooring, popular interior walls, and with white quartz countertops, the Kokosing's premium materials give it a luxurious feeling, and it's functional too. Modern Tiny Living calls the Kokosing truly the most livable home in the world. Number 3, Esser by New Frontier Tiny Homes. New Frontier's tiny home's second appearance on this list is the Escher home. This family home sleeps up to 6 and has a dreamy loft that can fit a king bed and a luxurious kitchen with a beautiful hammered copper backsplash. Looking to downsize, join the tiny home revolution, and move into the super luxurious tiny home? You can purchase it for $181,000. Number 2, Freedom V2 Alabama Tiny Homes. After 20 years in construction, the founder of Tiny Alabama Tiny Homes has joined the small home revolution. Now, Alabama Tiny Homes offers residents custom-built tiny homes in a 6 to 8 week waiting period. Their most luxurious model is a $68,000 Freedom V2. Alabama Tiny Homes flawless combines cool industrial vibes with comfortable luxury. Warm wooden floors and wood paneling on the walls flawlessly complement stainless steel lattice. Number 1, Eco Huts at the Chemo Estate. While the rest of the homes on this list you can purchase, these Eco Huts are suited at the Chemo Estates and may be rented for weddings, corporate events, or vacations. However, like the rest of the tiny homes on this list, these upscale accommodations don't cut corners when it comes to luxury. This sleek A-frame looks out into sensational panoramic views of rural New South Wales. One night in these beautiful little homes will cost you $350 a night.
Separate toilet through here. You might be in a small cabin, but you can still have privacy.
This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. So long.